it's official. The 23rd Southeast Asian Games 2005 here in the Philippines is now well on its way.
To lead the pledge of officiating officials, please welcome the International Technical Official for Taekwondo, Mr. Cesar Mateo.
I swear that we officiate in these Southeast Asian Games with complete impartiality, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern us. True spirit of sportsmanship. Thank you.
And that is the oath that's being taken by the officials of the Southeast Asian Games.
Mga athletes to be led
lead the
by
oath of
Ms.
sportsmanship,
Mikey Cojuangco.
please welcome the flag bearer of the Philippines, Ms. Mikey Cojuangco Jaworski. May we also call on the flag bearer of each country. The flag bearer of Brunei, the flag bearer of Cambodia, the flag bearer of Indonesia, the flag bearer of Lao PDR, the flag bearer of Malaysia, the flag bearer of Myanmar, the flag bearer of Singapore, the flag bearer of Thailand, the flag bearer of Timor-Leste, and the flag bearer of Vietnam. Please come up on stage.
As we await the different representatives from all the other countries, once again, we welcome you to this broadcast pool brought to you by ABC, also seen on NBN and IBC. This is the 23rd Southeast Asian Games, and we are waiting for the 10 other flag bearers from the other countries to take their very important oath of sportsmanship.
Well, as promised by the organizers and the people behind the opening ceremonies, it has certainly been an evening of pomp and pageantry, and we're not done yet. Marami pa pong ipalalabas dito na inihanda. 10 buwan na pinaghandaan po ng mga taong nasa likod nitong opening ceremonies led by Director Maria Vargas Montelibano, Stage Director Robert Tonko, Musical Director Ryan Cayabyab, and the thousands of talents and volunteers that have come together for this.
At tulad ng ipinangako ng organizers, the opening ceremonies will be elegant but not extravagant.
That's in keeping, of course, with the times. Ano naman natin austerity, but certainly not lacking in the grandeur that is always expected of a SEA Games opening. In a short while, Ms. Mikey Cojuangco Jaworski.
We would like to request all the participating athletes to please raise your right hands and join me in the oath of sportsmanship. We swear that we will take part in the 23rd Southeast Asian Games in fair and honest competition, respecting the rules and regulations that govern it, with a desire to participate in the true meaning of sportsmanship, spreading goodwill among our Southeast Asian neighbors, for the honor of our countries, and for the glory of God.
President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, escorted by Mr. Jose Cuanco Jr., will now go to center stage to wish the representatives of the different countries good luck in the coming competitions of the 23rd Southeast Asian Games.
Wishes all the participating athletes well in the events of the next few days, the 23rd Southeast Asian Games is grateful for her presence in the opening ceremony. Thank you, Madam President.
All right, mga kaibigan, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo makes her exit as the San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra now breaks into the reprise of the Philippine Athletes Fiesta March, leading to the all-cast Fiesta Finale performance. At yun po, yung colorful fireworks, again breaking behind the grandstand at the Luneta. Tuloy-tuloy po ang makulay na pagbubukas ng 23rd Southeast Asian Games diyan po sa Carino Grandstand at Luneta in Manila. Marami pa pong mangyayari rito, and I'm sure that a lot of people are waiting for that grand recessional, which will feature the River Maya playing together with the San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra and the San Miguel Master Chorale. Ang maganda rito, Patricia at Miko, no? Lahat ng nangyayari rito ay nilikha at ginanap ng mga Pilipino. Wala pong imported dito. Lahat po ito ay mga Pilipino na nagkaisa, nagtulong-tulong upang maitanghal itong makulay na pagbubukas ng ating 23rd Southeast Asian Games.
Nakikita naman natin ang fiesta atmosphere dahil kilala nga ang ating kultura sa ating pagsambayanan. Di ba meron nga tayong bayanihan atmosphere? Yan talaga, we are very proud to have that kind of atmosphere and to be able to showcase that in this wonderful opening rites.
Muli po natin bigyan ng masigabong palakpakan ang mga atleta ng 2005 SEA Games.
At ano rin, kompletos regatos din dahil halos lahat ng sektor ng ating bansa ay was represented, ano? Kabataan, kababaihan, pati yung kultura ng mga bansa. No? The 11 countries participating in the SEA Games was visibly showcased dito sa opening ceremony.
Yun nga ang naging tema ng itong 23rd Southeast Asian Games, ano? One Heritage, One Southeast Asia, na pinamalas sa pamamagitan ng musika at sayaw at sa iba't ibang mga palabas na pinakita. Nakita natin yung ibang mga kinatawan ng ibang mga bansa na tuwang-tuwa, no? At parang nauulimigan nila yung mga pamilyar na mga himig, ano? Dahil talagang sinadya ni Maestro Ryan Cayabyab na i-incorporate, no, yung iba't ibang mga himig na medyo kahalintulad ng Philippine music.
Ika nga mas marami tayong similarities laban sa differences.
Yun. Yan po ang pina-highlight nitong opening ceremonies na ito. At yan din ang sinabi ni former Congressman Jose Cuanco Jr. sa kanyang talumpati na ang pinakamahalaga dito ay ang pagkakaibigan ng iba't ibang mga bansa sa Timog Silangan. Pangalawa na lamang yung kompetisyon sa larangan ng palakasan.
Of course, the Southeast Asian Games, it's not just a mere sports event. It's an opportunity for us to show our spirit of patriotism amongst all Filipinos.
And a showcase of the athletic excellence of the Southeast Asia.
Ito po mga kaibigan, yung recessional, habang lumalabas po sa parade grounds ang iba't ibang mga atleta, no, ay mag-perform naman itong River Maya, ang kilalang folk rock group, Philippine folk rock group kasama po yung San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra. So this should be something to watch out for sapagkat bihira po yan, ano, na ang isang rock group ay magpe-perform kasama ang isang Philharmonic Orchestra. At pagkatapos pa niyan, ang ating naulinigan sa mga organizers ay magkakaroon ng 45-minute at least